Right, Chloe, sing Jesus Loves Me. Ready?
Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
The Bible tells me so. Well, hold on a minute. Well, hold on a minute. Let's start at the beginning. Come here. You got to stay there. Jesus loves me. This I know. The Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Chloe, look at me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.